This is the Chang'an Uni-T, a modern crossover SUV known for its futuristic design and aggressive sporty appearance. But today, this vehicle looks completely different. Before bringing back its original shine, every part of the exterior must be carefully cleaned, starting from the hood, roof, doors, mirrors, windows, bumpers, and wheels. Each area receives detailed attention. The first step is removing the heavy dirt and loose particles that have accumulated on the surface. Then, special cleaning chemicals are applied to break down stubborn stains, grease, and contaminants without damaging the original paint. Slowly, the hidden beauty of the Chang'an Uni-T begins to appear again. The sharp body lines, modern headlights, and sporty character of this SUV are finally revealed. The entire exterior surface of the vehicle must be cleaned thoroughly, leaving no area untouched. Every part, from the hood, roof, doors, mirrors, windows, bumpers, and wheels, needs detailed attention to remove all dust, dirt, and stubborn contaminants. The cleaning process continues as every section of the vehicle is carefully washed. Multiple stages of cleaning are performed to ensure all remaining dirt, dust, and stains are completely removed from the surface. The washing process continues with a detailed cleaning of every exterior panel. The team carefully works on the hood, front bumper, grille, headlights, front fenders, doors, side mirrors, side skirts, roof, pillars, rear quarter panels, trunk lid, rear bumper, tail lights, and wheels. The cleaning process continues beyond the exterior panels. Every area of the vehicle is carefully treated, including the rear body section, upper roof area, cabin surfaces, lower body panels, undercarriage, and engine compartment. Each hidden corner is inspected and cleaned to remove accumulated dirt, dust, grease, and contaminants, ensuring the entire vehicle is restored to a clean condition. After the initial cleaning removes the thick layer of dirt, the next stage begins with a deep foam wash. A special cleaning foam is sprayed evenly across the entire vehicle, creating a thick layer that covers every surface. The foam is carefully applied to every exterior section, starting from the front hood, front grille, headlights, front bumper, fenders, side mirrors, doors, window frames, roof, pillars, rear quarter panels, trunk door, rear bumper, taillights, and wheels. Every inch of this Chang'an Uni-T receives the same attention. The goal is to completely remove all traces of contamination and bring back the vehicle's clean, fresh, and premium appearance. After allowing the cleaning foam to work and break down the remaining dirt, the next step is the rinsing process. Using high-pressure water, every section of the vehicle is carefully rinsed to remove all foam, loosen dirt, and cleaning residue. The water spray covers the entire surface, starting from the roof, windows, hood, body panels, doors, bumpers, wheels, dot, and lower sections of the vehicle. Every corner is rinsed thoroughly to ensure no cleaning product or dirt remains. And now, the transformation is complete. After going through a detailed cleaning process, the Chang'an Uni-T has completely changed from its previous dirty condition into a clean and refreshed SUV.